Lift to set up the tower. Be careful of the cables. Secure the tower with 4 bolts. Connect the main motor cable. Take off the L-shaped piece. Turn on the power. Press the carriage down button. Mount the carriage on the carriage holder as shown in the picture. Secure the carriage with the 2 bolts on the top. Connect the carriage cable. Press the button to lift the carriage. Stop it at the reachable position for the operation. Unscrew the bolt, then take off the bottom cover. Loose the 4 bolts on the bottom. Mount the chain on the gear. Tighten all the bolts shown in the picture. Install the panel covers in the order shown in the picture. Be sure to secure the panels by snapping them in. Test the machine.